Today I am going to make healthy Swedish meatballs, and it's for Papa Nana night. So it's going to be for about 20 people, so there's going to be a lot. So you'll have to cut it down if you're going to make it for less. Usually you use beef for Swedish meatballs. I'm using turkey because hence healthy. Anyway, so here we go. So I have all of the turkey out. I am not sure if I'm going to use all 4 or 3. I'm going to put them in and see first. Then I've got my onion and my carrot. And I'm going to, I don't know yet. I will let you know here in a minute. I've cut up 4 pieces of bread. Not cut up, I just ripped them up. Just some white bread. I'm going to add milk and let it soak, and then that's going to kind of help absorb or stick the meatballs together. Okay, I'm going to use 3 carrots to shred. Of course, I'm doing 1 white one for variety, and so I'm going to peel them right now, and then I'm going to shred them into this big bowl. And I still haven't decided what I'm doing as far as how many of those I'm going to use. Okay, so I grated the carrots and I've got a little bit of the onion in there. I'm still working on it. I'm making it as small as possible. So when I'm done, you'll see that. And then I will probably squeeze out the bread and put that in there with the egg and spices and the meat, and then we'll make meatballs. Okay, now I'm going to put the eggs in. And once I get those in, then I'm going to put the meat in. Okay, so I did all 4, so I still need to mix the last one up. I'm going to put in, before I mix it up, I'm going to put in salt and pepper, allspice, and parsley. And then I've been draining this, but as you can see, there's some more, so I'm going to drain the rest until there's no excess milk. And then I'll put it in, and when I'm all done, I'll show you, and then we'll start making meatballs. Okay, so here is one pan, here's the other, and here's how much we have left. So I'm going to make 1 more pan, and whatever's left over I'll probably make into a meatloaf for tomorrow's dinner. Sprinkled some flour over them, so we'll see how it goes. Now they go into the oven at 360 for 30 minutes. Alright, so now I'm going to make the sauce, which is broth, sour cream, and seasonings, and some flour to thicken it up. So I'm going to use one of these for each crock pot because I'm going to take the meatballs out of the oven and put it in the crock pot and then let them simmer in the crock pot while I do the noodles. Okay, so I've got 1 thing of, let's see, it's a 32-ounce beef broth. I've got a half a carton of 36-ounce sour cream, and then butter, probably about 2 tablespoons butter, seasoning of salt and pepper, and parsley to taste. And then I put this a little bit aside, and I'm going to put about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of flour, mix it up till it's a paste, and then put it back in here to thicken it up. Here are the meatballs. They're about ready to go in the sauce. Okay, they're out and they're ready to go in. I got about 90 meatballs in 2 different crock pots, and so now they're going to just simmer until the kids get here. And then we'll serve them over pasta. So I'm going to go get the pasta ready to cook now. And I'll show you a final picture.